Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connectivity. Make sure the modem and router are on and the ISP shows no outage. Next, plug your Xbox Series S directly into the router with an Ethernet cable to isolate Wi-Fi issues. This gives a faster, cleaner baseline. While connected, go to Settings Right Arrow General Right Arrow Network Settings and note your current IP and DNS information. These values help you compare later when you switch back to wireless. Once done, you'll know whether the problem is local or wireless. Now dig into the Xbox network settings to fix common middling problems. Run Test Network Connection and test NAT type. If NAT is strict or moderate, forward ports or enable UPnP on the router. If games fail to resolve servers, set manual DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and save. Power cycle both console and router. Full restart of each clears transient states. If Wi-Fi still fails, go to Advanced Settings and clear alternate MAC address. Then restart the console to obtain fresh network credentials. Finish by retesting the connection and running multiplayer tests. Confirm acceptable download/upload speed and stable ping for your games. If problems remain, temporarily connect to a mobile hotspot or guest network to determine whether the ISP or your router is at fault. This isolates hardware issues fast. As a last practical step, reset network settings on the Xbox, or, if necessary, perform a console network factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: if speeds vary wildly, collect router logs and contact your ISP with times and test results for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.